So today I'll be showing you how to add or how to install the missing Samsung Music app on your Galaxy A27. Now, in case you do not have the Samsung Music app, which should come pre-installed on your Samsung phone, then there are two ways you can get it installed. One is from the Google Play Store. So you simply go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store, just go to the search function and search Samsung Music. And you should see the Samsung Music app. And in case it's not installed on your phone, you can just tap on the install button to have it installed. Simple as that. You just want to make sure you're installing the correct Samsung Music application. So opening up the page of the app is always a good idea, just to sort of see what app you're dealing with. And you want to do this before installing. So this is 1 billion downloads. It should be the correct application. Now, alternatively, you can go to the Samsung Galaxy Store. In case you don't find it in the Google Play Store, you can go to the Galaxy Store. Of course, you have to be signed in with your Samsung account. And then you can go again to the search function and search for Samsung Music. From the results, you're looking for the default Samsung Music application. Here it is. And as you can see, for me, since it's already installed, it's just going to give me the option to open. Now, if you don't have it installed, it will give you the option to install. But since I already have it, it's saying open, and I can launch it because I've just installed it from the Google Play Store. So those are the two ways you can have that app installed on your phone in case you're not getting it or you're not having it or it didn't come pre-installed on your Galaxy A27. Thanks for watching and good luck.